Ready to witness machines that don't just work, they conquer? From the biggest earth movers to the most extreme mining monsters, this is where raw power meets next-level engineering. The kind of machines that push the limits of what's possible every single day. This is Machine Dominion. Caterpillar D11T Bulldozer. This 936 horsepower earth mover doesn't just push dirt, it dominates landscapes. Weighing about 125 tons, the D11T's massive 43 cubic meter blade uproots rock, clears mining overburden, and carves out roads with surgical precision. Its high-drive undercarriage and optional ripper tear apart frozen ground, while operators cruise in a cushioned cab. It's why mines choose this behemoth, to reshape terrain faster than any other dozer. Komatsu D575A Superdozer. The Komatsu D575A-3, dubbed the Superdozer, is the world's largest production bulldozer, wielding a monstrous 1,150 horsepower and weighing 152 tons. In a single pass, it shoves 125 cubic yards of rock or soil and rips 6-foot deep trenches with ease. Electronic controls and palm steering make this giant surprisingly nimble, dominating mines and earthworks, where one pass must be perfect. It's a force of nature that sculpts the earth like a master artist. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. This 4,000 horsepower ultra-class haul truck carries a staggering 400 short tons at speeds up to 42 miles per hour. Its 6 colossal tires, planetary transmission, and massive hydraulic brakes make it a rolling fortress, built to cycle endlessly in mega mines. This beast doesn't just haul, it powers global resource extraction, moving mountains of ore with relentless efficiency. Komatsu 960E-1 mining truck, packing 3,500 horsepower and a 360 short-ton payload. This diesel-electric giant carries material in extreme conditions. Its GEAC electric drive boosts towing power while minimizing mechanical wear. Built for remote mining sites, it moves economies of scale, literally, throughout global pit operations. XCMG 88,000 crawler crane. This is the world's largest crawler crane, capable of lifting 4,000 tons, equal to 26 blue whales, using a 144-meter boom and distributed Cummins power units. It assembles heavy refinery modules and reactor vessels that no other crane can handle, with onboard cabins that look more like office suites. When massive jobs demand precision, this is the machine that gets them done. Liebherr T282C mining truck. The Liebherr T282C isn't just massive, it's a productivity powerhouse. Hauling a colossal 400-ton payload over 34 miles per hour, this diesel-electric AC Latronic Plus behemoth delivers the highest payload-to-weight ratio in its class, slicing haul cycles and cutting fuel per ton. Built for extreme temps of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit and 24/7 operation, it reshapes the earth faster and more efficiently. Ideal for mega mining. Hitachi EH5000 AC3 mining truck. The EH5000 AC3 is Hitachi's largest rigid haul truck, carrying up to 296 tons and weighing a total of 326 tons at speeds of 56 kilometers per hour, using its advanced AC drive system, making it a mining roadster more than just a hauler. With slip-slide, pitch, and skid control systems, as well as remote ground-level service points, it maximizes uptime and hauls more with less maintenance time. Bell AZ 75710, ultra-class truck built to break records. The Bell AZ 75710 hauls a jaw-dropping 450 tons per load, powered by two 2,300 horsepower engines and 4 electric wheel motors. Its air-filled tires, over 4 meters tall, and pneumatic steering dance across mining sites with surprising grace. Shutting down one engine for light loads saves fuel, making this beast as efficient as it is colossal. Bucyrus MT6300 AC haul truck, also known as the Caterpillar unit rig. This ultra-class monster delivers 3,750 horsepower and carries up to 400 tons of ore per run. Its diesel-electric powertrain allows smooth, efficient hauling and regenerative braking on climbs. Essential gear for global mining giants, it reduces haul cycles and keeps rock moving at scale. This monster keeps the rock moving at scale, proving that brute strength and precision can coexist. Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 All-terrain mobile crane. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 is a 1,323-ton, all-terrain mobile crane renowned for its exceptional lifting capacity and the world's longest telescopic boom. This 9-axle titan lifts up to 1,200 tons with its record 100 meters telescopic boom, ideal for hoisting wind turbine nacelles or industrial modules quickly and without extra assembly gear. With active rear axle steering and a compact setup, it travels easily on highways, but performs heavy lifts on congested job sites, bridging the gap between mobility and massive lifting power. Terex Titan 33-19 prototype haul truck, the one and only Titan built in the 70s, hauled up to 360 US tons per load, powered by a 3,300 horsepower locomotive engine and electric drive. Its 6 12-foot tires rolled rock in giant mines, and regenerative braking generated up to 5,400 horsepower downhill. Though never mass-produced, its legacy lives on as the blueprint for ultra-class haul trucks. Bagger 293 bucket wheel excavator. Bagger 293 isn't just big, it devours the earth. At 96 meters tall and 225 meters long, this German marvel scoops up to 240,000 cubic meters, or approximately 218,000 tons, of overburden every single day via an 18-bucket wheel, enough to fill about 2,400 rail cars. With just 5 operators, it powers through massive open-cast mines, clearing terrain that would take fleets of smaller machines months to handle. Overburden conveyor bridge F60. The F60 isn't a truck, it's a lying Eiffel Tower on tracks. Spanning up to 1,615 meters and weighing 13,600 tons, it glides at 9 to 13 meters per minute to collect and carry overburden across entire mine faces. Powered by remote coal plant electricity and operated by just 14 people, it moves more earth daily than some large airports without a single diesel engine. Liebherr LR 1300 SX crawler crane. Don't let the name fool you. This 523 horsepower crawler sets demolition and heavy lift records. With up to 400 tons lifting capacity and a full 302-foot boom, it hoists bridge spans, turbines, and offshore modules without external support. Diesel hydraulic drive delivers smooth 360 degrees movement, while compact base travel keeps it mobile on rugged sites. Perfect for the industries that build the world. P&H 4100 XPC electric rope shovel. This mega excavator uses a 52 to 61 cubic meters dipper to load 99 to 109 tons in 3 passes into giant haul trucks, delivering 8,600 to 11,500 tons per hour and crushing dirt with surgical speed. Its dual leg handle boosts cut power, while regenerative DC motors slash energy costs and wear, ideal for high-output open-pit mining where downtime isn't an option. Caterpillar 7095 electric rope shovel. The CAT 7095 digs 120 tons per dip with an AC IGBT electric drive that delivers 0 emissions at the shovel and regenerates power on braking. Ziegler CAT Overview CAT Spec Sheet. It's built for high uptime with ergonomic cabins and operator assist that smooths cycles. Perfect for mines that need speed, precision, and fewer breakdowns. Hitachi EX 8000-6 hydraulic excavator. This 825-ton giant wields a 40 cubic meters bucket and 2 Cummins engines, each producing 1,450 kilowatts to blast through overburden on mega sites, digging 18 meters out and loading massive haul trucks in just a few scoops. Its 2,230 kilonewtons of tear-out force shoves rock fast and hard, while hydraulic systems and ground-level service points minimize downtime, ideal for non-stop mine cycles. Liebherr R 9800 mining excavator. The world's largest hydraulic excavator, the R9800, weighs 800 to 810 tons, and nabs 38 to 47 cubic meters per swing, shifting up to 85 tons in under 30 seconds. With dual 2,984 kilowatts engines and 3,090 kilonewton breakout force, it dominates open-pit coal and metal mines, clearing more in half the time and redefining mega excavation. Komatsu PC8000-11 hydraulic excavator, weighing in at 752 to 773 tons. The PC8000-11 packs two 2010 horsepower engines and a 42 cubic meters bucket to match giant haul trucks in 4 shovels, loading up to 300 tons per cycle. Its hydraulic system's 8 pumps run digging, swing, and travel simultaneously, so nothing slows this force of nature. Caterpillar 6060 hydraulic mining shovel. This 599 tons hydraulic powerhouse brings 3,015 horsepower to the table and hauls 61 tons per dip, tailored to fast cycle 240 to 320 tons trucks in just 4 passes. Its tri-power attachment boosts lift, while optional electric drive slashes maintenance, transforming quarries and mines into precision loading hubs. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator. The EC950F brings 603 horsepower and a 6.5 cubic meters bucket to mass excavation, dwarfing standard excavators. Its 960 liters per minute hydraulics and dig assist software speed cycles and accuracy, while ActiveCare telematics predict maintenance, so operators spend more time digging and less on repairs. Its reach and power make it a mass excavation workhorse. Latourneau L2350 wheel loader. This isn't just any loader. It's the world's largest earth mover, designed to center load 320 to 400 ton haul trucks in a single scoop. With a massive 40 cubic meters bucket, 2,300 horsepower diesel-electric powertrain, and hybrid regen technology that slashes fuel by approximately 45%, it keeps mines running. When it lifts, hauls, and loads, it does more work in minutes than smaller machines can in hours. Caterpillar 24 motor grader. Built for maintaining massive haul roads at open pit mines, the Cat 24 levels 28-foot wide surfaces using its huge blade and advanced autocross slope system. It ensures drainage and safe truck travel by smoothing ruts and corrugations. Its heavy weight and precise controls make haul road upkeep fast, safe, and fuel-efficient. Ponce Bear 8W Forestry Harvester. This is the largest harvester in Ponce's fleet, built to fell and process thick trees in tough terrain. With an 8-wheeled chassis, H8 head, and 350 horsepower Mercedes engine, it cuts, delimbs, and sorts logs efficiently, even on steep slopes. While offering long service intervals and ergonomic ease, it combines raw power with precision, turning full-grown trees into timber ready for loading. Bertha Tunnel Boring Machine. Once the largest TBM in the world, Bertha bored Seattle's 2-mile tunnel under downtown using its 57.5-foot cutter head, slicing through clay, rock, and sand without disrupting street-level life. It mechanized urban tunneling, transforming city infrastructure with minimal surface impact, a marvel of heavy-duty precision engineering. Caterpillar PL83 pipe layer. This 319 horsepower pipe layer is built for high-stakes pipeline work, lifting and placing heavy-diameter pipes up to 77 tons under the hook with laser accuracy and slope control. Its stabilized side boom keeps pipes level even on embankments, while advanced load monitoring ensures safety. From farm irrigation mains to oil and gas infrastructure, it lays the backbone of major pipeline networks with precision and reliability. Superior SPX 960 pipe layer. Powered by a 440 horsepower Cat C13 engine, the SPX 960 side boom lifts up to 90 tons, combining power with stability on soft or uneven ground. Its low-profile undercarriage and hydraulic counterweights adapt to trench side work. This machine makes tough pipeline sections straightforward, reducing downtime and improving installation accuracy on large-scale energy projects. Trencor 1,000 horsepower Mega Trencher. This beast slices trenches up to 15 meters deep across massive projects, with its high-powered chain or wheel cut head ripping through soil, rock, or asphalt. Often used in fiber optic, power, or pipeline installation, it makes rapid, deep cuts that would take crews weeks, digging with surgical precision and speed. Big Stan Drill Rig. Big Stan isn't just a drill, it's a mobile drilling force. With 600 horsepower and 534,000 pound-feet of torque, it can bore shafts up to 93 feet deep and 30 feet wide in hours, not days. It's been used for bridge foundations, high-rise footings, and retrofits, making complex geotechnical jobs faster and more economical than traditional rigs. Demi Spartacus Cutter. Suction dredger Spartacus is the world's most powerful cutter suction dredger, dredging up to 45 meters depth while running on clean LNG, powered by 6 dual-fuel Wärtsilä engines with 44 megawatts total. It reclaims land, deepens ports, and builds artificial islands, all with lower emissions and massive scale. When coastal engineering projects demand speed and environmental care, Spartacus delivers both. Herrenknecht Qinliangyu Mix Shield TBM. This giant tunnel boring machine, with a 17.6 meters diameter and weighing nearly 4,850 tons, bores underwater road tunnels beneath Hong Kong at depths of 30 meters and pressures up to 5 bar. It mechanically cuts through soil and installs precast tunnel segments in one seamless process, ensuring safe, reliable transportation infrastructure without disrupting harbor traffic. Martina TBM S-574. Known as the world's largest hard rock TBM, the Martina digs through Italian mountains with its 15.6 meters cutter head, boring the Sparvo Tunnel under Florence. It continuously removes rock, installs concrete linings, and advances tunnels for high-speed rail, all with automated precision and minimal need for human intervention underground. Wow Joint SLJ 932 Bridge Launcher. Nicknamed the Iron Monster, this 91 meters, 580 tons mobile bridge launching gantry installs massive bridge segments atop piers with robotic precision. Its 64-wheel drive steers entire concrete spans into place over roads or rivers, eliminating crane setups and accelerating bridge construction, even in rugged or urban environments. Bu Kraa Phosphate Conveyor, Western Sahara. This monumental overland conveyor stretches nearly 98 kilometers across the desert, transporting about 2,000 tons of phosphate per hour from mine to port. Powered by electric motors, it keeps a constant stream moving day and night, replacing hundreds of dusty, fuel-burning truck trips. The result? Cleaner, more efficient bulk transport visible even from space. Dune Express Proppant Conveyor. Dubbed the Dune Express, this 67-kilometer conveyor moves 13 million tons of frac sand annually at 10 miles per hour across the Permian Basin, cutting dangerous truck traffic and carbon dioxide emissions by eliminating hundreds of round trips. Built for midstream reliability, it's the first long-haul oilfield conveyor in the U.S., with an eye on safety and scalability. Gyratory Crusher. In megamines, these crushers deliver raw, crushing power, processing between 2,000 to 8,000 tons per hour, breaking down blasted ore into manageable chunks. Built with robust mantles and concave liners, they keep continuous throughput, feeding secondary crushers and grinding mills without a hiccup, making them the backbone of heavy-duty mining comminution. Aztec Pioneer Jaw Crusher. Designed for high-capacity aggregate and recycling operations, the Aztec Pioneer can deliver 25% more output than competitors, crushing oversized rock with heavy-duty flywheels and stroke for maximum output. Its rugged build and hydraulic settings support continuous crushing, ensuring consistent product size and uptime in crushing operations across mining and infrastructure sites. BHP South Flank Rail-Mounted Stacker Reclaimer. These giants, 2 stackers and a reclaimer, handle 20,000 tons per hour of iron ore, transferring it seamlessly from stockpile to train loops. These electric behemoths build massive stockpiles and then reclaim ore directly onto rail cars, all autonomously, with GPS control and safety systems to avoid collisions and boost output. Krupp L130 Mobile Crusher. Known as the largest mobile crusher in action, this 120-ton machine blasts through Scandinavian granite at rates up to 800 tons per hour, keeping rock flowing in heavy quarries. Its massive hopper and crushing chamber handle oversized feed while maintaining continuous production, making it a quarry game changer. Volvo ABG 9820 Tracked Asphalt Paver. This industrial paver is built for mega paving jobs, roadways, runways, even ship's decks. It lays asphalt up to 16 meters wide and 500 millimeters thick at a slick rate of 1,500 tons per hour, using laser-guided hydraulics to ensure perfectly smooth, precise matting. Beck Big Becky Tunnel Boring Machine. Big Becky isn't just giant, it's the largest TBM ever used in North America. With a 14.4 meters diameter, it carved a 10.22-kilometer tunnel through the Niagara Escarpment to supply hydroelectric water to Ontario's Sir Adam Beck plant. Weighing 2,000 to 7,000 tons, it drilled massive shafts through tough geology without disrupting the surface, crucial for water infrastructure projects where precision and minimal disturbance matter. Finley J1480 Mobile Jaw Crusher. This tracked crusher recycles on-site waste at up to 750 tons per hour, crushing concrete, asphalt, or rock effectively. Its reversible jaw and hydraulic adjustments allow it to handle varied feed, making it a go-to for demolition cleanup and aggregate production in tight job site conditions. P&H 9020 XP C dragline excavator with a 160 cubic yards bucket and a boom reaching 425 feet. This cable shovel titan strips overburden without need for trucks. Powered via 6+ megawatt AC electrical systems, it covers massive ground with long, efficient swings, reshaping the mine face with fewer passes. AC IMEX Segment Erector. This specialized segment erector operates within giant TBMs, precisely placing massive precast concrete tunnel rings, up to 18 tons per segment, using suction cups and hydraulic positioning arms. It rotates, aligns, and lowers each ring into the advancing tunnel, enabling seamless, continuous wall construction. Without it, TBMs couldn't build watertight tunnels at depth with speed and precision. Heavy-duty coil handling crane. Used in steel mills and coil processing plants, this overhead crane picks and rotates massive steel coils, up to 50 tons each, with hydraulic or motorized lifters and C-hooks. It precisely moves coils from production lines to storage or line-side machinery, automating handling, reducing damage, and boosting mill throughput. That's the raw power of machines working at another level. Which beast impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for even bigger machines next time. Until then, keep watching Machine Dominion.